Alright guys, we're back again. We've got Alex G here with 2 more boxes of 2013 Superbox Baseball Series 2 live here on Blowout TV. Alright, let's see what we got here. So we have some sort of redemption. Ooh, what do we have here? How about an autographed baseball bat of Pete Rose? Inscribed 4256. That's pretty sweet. The Hit King. Nice. And box 2. This one feels really thin. Oh, nice vintage hit. We've got 64 Hank Aaron. Beautiful vintage hit. Looks to be very nicely centered. Actually in pretty darn good shape. Alright, Alex. Cool stuff, man. Again, appreciate it. Nice hits. I'll get it right out to you.